Hello, guys. Welcome back. Yes, back. Uh, Today on Sunday, I've told you no newspaper on Sunday, so I've decided to continue not of the Saturday's newspaper because in the Saturday's newspaper there are no extra Sudokus, no additional. So this one is from Tuesday, July the 13th, 2021, and we have, look, this is today's or yesterday's newspaper, Saturday 17 and Sunday 18 July. So we have 3 puzzles left: Two Stars, Tectonic, and a binary. Yes. The second one, Two Stars Sudoku, and number. This will be number 3115. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. I see 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have an 8 and a 5 in this row, so no 8 and a 5 in these 3 boxes in this big square. We have an 8 and a 5 in the last column, so no 8 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this column. So no 7 and a 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 and the 6. 1 and the 6. No. The 4 and the 6. The 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 6. Alright. Let me see. How about... Yeah. 6, 6. Okay. 1, 6, 4. 1, 6, 4. 1, 6, 4. Okay. 8, 5, and 9. 9. 1, 7, 7, 7. 7, 7. I'm thinking 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. I'm thinking. 5 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Then 1 4 2 1 4 2 1 4 2. 3 missing numbers in this second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 4 are missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Don't forget, I cannot mark those yet. If it's in a big square, one big square, then I can mark those. If I mark it now, then it will be a mess. Yes. Okay. 3 2 2 2 2 2 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9. No 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 9. 9. Okay. 9 in this column. 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. No. 4, 4. 1, 2. Yeah. 2, 2. 2, 2. Okay, we have a pair. 4 and a 6 in this row. 4 and a 6 in the row below. So in the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 6 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the third row for the number 8. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 8, 8. Yeah. 2, 2. 8, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. 7 should be there also. Well, not easy this one. Not easy. 3, 3. 2, 2. Yeah. 9, 3. 5 should be here. Okay. 9, 9. 9, 9. 1, 1, 1. Where's the opening? Where is the opening? 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 6. Alright. 6, 6, 6. 999, 69 and 3, 69 and 3, 69 and 3. The 8 should be here. Okay, we have the 6 and the 3 in the third column, the 6 and the 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 and the 3 should be in those 3 boxes. Let me mark those 3 boxes, 6 and a 3, but also the number 9. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the column, the first column, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9, then 9 could be here, could be there. So 6, 3, 9 are in those 3 boxes. So the other 3 boxes should be the 8, the 4, and the 7. 847, 847. Well, I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes, and there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7. 5 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. Yeah. Let me think. Okay. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay, 1 and a 2. And we have here 1, 1, 7, 5, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. 9, 9. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. Not easy at all. 1, 2, 4 should be here. Yeah, 4 should be in one of those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. No, 4. Okay. How about the 8? 8 should be here. Wow, 2 stars? I don't think so. I need to think longer than I expected. 5, 5. 5, 5. 1, 2, 6, 3. Leave those. Come on. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Come on. 2, 2. 5, 5. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. All right. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4. Yeah. 8, 5, 7. 8, 7 cannot be here. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see a 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 5. 8 and 5 are missing. Well, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And now I can... No. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. We have 2 and 8 in this column, 2 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 and 8 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, we see it and 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 7. That means 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 7. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. How about the 8? And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. How about the 9? Yeah. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Ooh, 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 4 and 6. So those 2 boxes should be reserved for the numbers 5 and 3. 5 and 3. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This number 4, number 5. 2 numbers left. No. 2 more numbers left. 6 and a 3, 4 and a 6. How about those 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5. The 6. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Alright, 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about those? 3 and a 7. Again, 3 and a 7 in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be a 3. Finish in 90 minutes. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 90 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. Yes, thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say, see you later. Bye bye for now.